Welcome back to my final morning report chart quiz on Tuesday the 15th of March with me, Rich Power Market Analyst. That's Handtech Markets. Let's look at my final chart, which is gold. And I have been waiting for this sort of breakdown in the gold rally for a while with these bearish divergences across the momentum indicators, and now two strong bear candles in a row. We've broken that uptrend, we've confirmed the breakdown. Not only that, that yesterday's candle high pretty much came bang on the old uptrend support. So that old support of the uptrend becomes the new resistance and then fell away. Interesting. We've also broken below a pivot line. Sort of that support at 1237 was the ECB day low. You've broken below that and you've actually closed below it as well. Arguably that sort of does also complete a small top pattern, which you could sort of give a rough estimate measure of about sort of 40 odd ticks. 40 odd dollars, sorry, and so measure it downwards. You're sort of looking out for $1,200 area, maybe even a move towards 1190. So it looks like we're sort of rolling over. Not only that, you're seeing the 21-day moving average, which had been a nice flanking support through the uptrend rally, rolling over. You're now underneath that. So looking at these momentum indicators as well, RSI now 50s, having been sort of consistently above 60. MACD lines accelerating lower, stochastics accelerating lower. So all these are corrective signals that you're getting now. You've had this sort of breakdown on the chart. I talked about the old pivot of 120.60. It pretty much hit to the tick yesterday and then fell off. Subsequently, the downside move we've seen a little bit stretched to the downside, so maybe sort of unwinding a little touch today. But you'd still say that you've got resistance overhead. You have got resistance overhead. Interestingly, if I zoom in, that reaction high that we saw overnight coming pretty much bang on the reaction low of 1237. So that is, I reckon, between 1237 and 1247. I think that's a nice band of resistance now that you could be looking out for your next sell signal, because I think that is going to be coming. Maybe as the RSI unwinds back towards 50 area. Maybe as the MACD lines sort of turn back towards neutral, maybe you'll see that little near-term rally back into that sort of $10 band of resistance. And as I said, I'd use that as your chance to sell, because I think we are going to see further downside pressure. Certainly looking at the momentum indicators, that support at 1224 has just held intact just for now. But you've got 1211. 20 after that, so yeah, you've got a few levels to work with, but certainly the outlook doesn't look positive, or certainly as positive as it did. You see the moving averages all rolling over now, falling in bearish sequence. That hasn't happened really since that rally began, so that again tells you something that's going on. So I think that we are looking at more of a corrective angle on this chart now, and I think a rally into the sort of the resistance between 1237 and 1247.50 I think would be your chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.